Hello, it's BarrowBoy Woods and over Barrow Island and looking at the air raid shelters of World War II. Look at that. They used to go down there years ago, back in 1940, and they used to go down there, families, for safety, and they used to have the siren what used to go off. Air raid siren thing what used to make a noise. Good history. There's two of them, there's one here and there's one over there, so enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. Thank you for watching.